It's a song that came out back in 1969. We hope you like it. Lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. I'm walking, sorry it's a little sweaty, coming for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, I lost you strong to let you go. Never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I go walking through with a rain in my shoe. Searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Hey! Showed your photograph to some old gray bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said yes, she's been here, well their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way. Come here, honey. She got her own show going. Alright, the preacher man, alright. Alright, I'm glad you're here, honey. Hold on through the rain. I explained, and he left me with a prayer.